In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Facebook birthdays with Google Calendar effortlessly, ensuring that you never miss a friend's special day again. This process involves a few straightforward steps, and I'm here to guide you through each one, making sure you feel confident and comfortable syncing those important dates. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your Facebook account by opening your preferred web browser and logging in. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top right of the screen to look for birthdays. This search will direct you to a dedicated page where Facebook lists upcoming birthdays organized by month. This is your central hub for accessing friends' birthdays without any fuss. Next, once you access the birthdays section, navigate through until you find the option to view the page as a calendar. Here, you want to look towards the top corner of the page to locate the URL. Hover over it for a moment to ensure it's highlighted. This is the web address you will need to transfer those dates into Google Calendar, so take a moment to copy this URL to your clipboard. Simply right-click on the URL field and select Copy. It's that easy. Now it's time to jump over to your Google Calendar, which will become the home for these birthday reminders. Open a new tab or window in your browser and enter the Google Calendar web address. Once you're there, glance over to the left side of the screen under the list of My Calendars. You're looking for a small plus sign that allows you to add a new calendar. Click on this symbol to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking the plus sign, you will see several options. For this task, select From URL. This is where you will paste the URL from Facebook that you copied earlier. Simply click into the text box, right-click, and choose Paste. Ensure the URL looks correct and matches what you copied before heading to the next stage. After you've pasted the URL correctly, you will see the option to add this calendar to your Google account. Click on Add Calendar, and voila! You've now successfully imported Facebook birthdays into Google Calendar. The system may take a moment to sync, but soon you'll see all those special dates pop up in your Google Calendar. To wrap it up, you now have all your friends' birthdays from Facebook conveniently synchronized with your Google Calendar. This way you will receive notifications and stay ahead, ensuring you have plenty of time to send well wishes or plan those birthday surprises. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel prepared to sync your digital life with ease. Catch you in the next tutorial.